Hi friends, I am Dr. Varsha Gupta and I wish you a very happy new year. So, I will tell you with the help of tarot cards how your year 2022 going to be. So, let's get started. First, we'll start with Aries, people who are born from March 21 to April 22. Let's see how your 22 going to be. Okay, for Aries people, you need to be little careful whatever you take decisions like कुछ तो पास्ट फियर्स है जो आपको हिंडर करेंगे अपने डिसीजंस में है. यू नीड टू चेक योर एनिमीज इफ़ यू हैव एनी कि वो कुछ प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट ना कर दे. सो दिस ईयर यू नीड टू बी लिटिल कॉशियस, little protective about yourself, about your business, about your job. Okay. Next is Taurus, people who are born from April 21 to May 20. Let's see how your year going to be. For Taurus people, all your hard work will pay off. You just need to little improve your little skills. That's all. Just little bit here and there improvement. Otherwise, it will be a very good year for you in relation to money, in relation to your career. Next, Gemini, people who are born from May 21 to June 20. Let's see how your year going to be. For Gemini people, it's going to be a very good year. If you are planning to start something, your business or job or something is in your mind, it's a very good year to start. So just use your skills and just go for it. Good luck art is there with you. Next is Cancer, people who are born from June 21 to July 22. Let's see how your year going to be. Yeah. For you people, you need to maintain a balance. Okay, there is lot of thing going in your head and you need to maintain some balance and you need to open your eyes and see. समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि अपन आंखें बंद करके सोचते कि सब ठीक हो जाए. सो इट्स नेवर गोइंग टू हैपन. यू नीड टू मेंटेन, you need to open your eyes, you need to check your emotions and personal and professional life में you need to maintain. अपने आप कुछ भी नहीं ठीक होने वाला है. Next is Leo, people who are born from July 23 to August 22. Let's see. For you need to check your emotions. कुछ भी ऐसे जल्दबाजी में नहीं करना है आपको और इमोशंस को बहुत चेक करना है. ऐसे नहीं इमोशंस में आके आप कुछ डिसीजन ले लो एंड देन यू विल थिंक कि अरे कुछ सोच लेता मैं. सो यू नीड टू मेंटेन अ बैलेंस बिटवीन योर इमोशंस एंड प्रैक्टिकल एंड आंख बंद करके डिसीजंस नहीं लेने आपको. Next is Virgo, people who are born from August 23 to September 22. Let's see how your year going to be. For Virgo people, you can just chill this year. At times you will feel like you are a queen or you are like a princess. So, if you are planning to get pregnant for females, it's a very good year for you. Just go for it and just enjoy. Okay, you have already worked too hard, so this year you need to just relax and enjoy. Next is Libra, people who are born from September 23 to October 22. Let's see how your year going to be. For Libra people, there is at one point in this year you will feel like मैं कहाँ हूँ type. ऐसे suddenly you will feel like you need some guiding light, and you will just think about it, and someone will come in your life. They will guide you, they will give you a proper direction, and आपको उनको follow करना है, because you will feel like something is missing and someone will guide you. So अगर कोई भी आपको help मिल रही है, take that help. वो आपकी growth के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Okay. Next is Scorpio, people who are born from October 23 to November 22. Let's see how this year is going to be. For you, just chill, enjoy your family life, enjoy your abundance. There will be lots of abundance. कुछ ना कुछ celebrations are coming in the way, like अच्छी पूरी family get together type रहेगा इस year में, and all the good news and happy year for you. Next is Sagittarius, people who are born from November 23 to December 21. Let's see how your year going to be. For Sagittarius people, whatever you have hoped and whatever you have wished for in 2021, all your wishes and all your hopes will be fulfilled in 2022. But you need to maintain a balance between your mind, like a conscious और subconscious mind. काफ़ी बार ऐसा रहता है कि अपन खाली सोचते रहते हैं, but वो आगे अपन step नहीं लेते हैं. So you need to move forward, you need to take the step, but it's going to be your year. So just enjoy. Next is Capricorn, people who are born from December 22 to Jan 19. Let's see how your year going to be. For Capricorn people, there will be a growth in your career, in your job, in your professional life. Something new opportunities are coming in this year, so just grab them. Next is Aquarius, people who are born from Jan 20 to Feb 19. Let's see how your year going to be. For you, जो भी 2021 में हुआ है, don't be sad like everything is gone, everything is like not happening according to your wish. No, don't think that. Don't start the year with the negative thoughts. Just stay positive and try to find opportunities. There are so many opportunities lying for you. You just need to grab them. अगर आप खाली पास में रहोगे तो जो आपके सामने अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है वो आपको मिलेगी नहीं, मतलब वो देख नहीं पाओगे. So what I am telling is like जो हो गया वो हो गया. Just leave it there and just look for more opportunities. They are waiting for you. Okay. Next is Pisces, people who are born from Feb 20 to March 20. Let's see how your year going to be. For you, you need to be determined. You need to be like standing for yourself in this year, क्योंकि problems आएगी आपको, but you need to stay there. अगर समझो प्रॉब्लम आए एंड इफ़ यू जस्ट रन अवे फ्रॉम दैट, तो चांसेस है कि जो भी आपने सोचा है वो उसमें आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा. बट इफ़ यू स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ, यू आर डिटरमाइंड, नहीं मेरे को ये चाहिए, सक्सेस इज देयर इन योर वे. ओके. So these are all according to your zodiac sign, how your year 2022 going to be. So just enjoy, I can say. This is 2nd Jan only, and take care. Okay, have a nice day. Do follow me on Instagram, because over there I do daily posting like how your day going to be. So my Instagram handle is Varsha Impossible. Do follow me, do like, do share me. Have a nice year. Bye bye.